This is just a short video to make sure that you're understanding some of the terms in Chapter 15. So I'm just doing problem 15.1, which is a residual dividend model. So with the residual dividend model, the assumption would be that you would use all of the money needed to do your capital projects, and anything remaining would then be paid out in dividends. So the problem gives you the following facts. Debt is 70% and equity is 30% per the target that the Axle Communication has set. They would like to do, or have identified, $3 million in projects to complete, and they have net income of $2 million. So first thing that you would want to do is to figure out how much of the net income you'll be using on the capital budget. So 30% of the money from the project needs to come from equity. So I'm just going to add a few labels here. We'll say equity and we'll say debt here. And I'll center those. And equity is 30% and debt is 70%. So from equity, we want 30% of the $3 million. And from debt, we want the 70%. This isn't necessary to find, but just to be clear of where the money would be coming from. So between the two, that would be the $3 million. We have net income of $2 million, and so we would subtract the amount that would be used on projects, so the capital budget, and we've said that's going to be equal to the $900,000. And so if we subtracted that, this would be left for dividends. It would be the $2 million in income less the $900,000 that we would siphon off in order to do projects, and the dividend that would be paid out would be $1.1 million. And if we wanted to know then what the payout ratio was, that would be equal to the amount paid out over net income, or in this case it would be $1.1 million divided by the $2 million in net income, equal 0.1 divided by the 2, and the dividend payout would be 55% if we did that as a percentage.